All right, friends, here's our calendar, and it looks exactly the same as it did in our classroom. It's a little bit smaller, but all of the pieces are still here. And we left off a long time ago. The last day we were all together was on March 13th, this Friday. And today it is the 24th. And our next day, the number that comes after 24 is, and I'm going to give you a little bit of time to think about it, and I'm going to put it up on the board for us and see if you were right. I also want you to look at, did anybody guess 25? 25 comes after 24. And if you remember, we have this super cool AAB pattern going on our board. And it's cube, cube, sphere, cube, cube, sphere. One thing I really want you to try and do while you're at home is look for things that are in the shapes of spheres and cubes. I found two things at my house that I'm going to show you. I found a baseball. Actually, Fisher brought me this. This is a baseball, and it's a sphere. And then I found this cool dice at school that we're going to use for some stuff, and it is in the shape of a cube, even though the edges are rounded. So that's a cool, fun thing that you could do. Now remember, when we're counting, we are also counting by fives. And I brought our shirts and our pants, and they each have 5 buttons. And the buttons on the clothes, remember, match the date on our calendar. So right now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons, and we need, I'm going to give you time to guess, how many more buttons to get to 25? We just need 1 more button. So I'm going to add our button. So now if we're counting by fives, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 buttons that match the number on our calendar, number 25. And that is also the number that we would write in this box right here. And I'm going to do that for you right now because we don't have a friend to write it for me, but maybe somebody else can write it another time. And when we make a 2, we have to make a big curve around and a little line. And our 5, we have a little line across, a little line down, and it curves around. So today we have 25, and our 25 on our calendar, our date, Wednesday, March 25th, matches our 25 buttons that are on our pants and our shirts. So we have all of that matching together. Now, I also made some videos today at school of counting by 5s with our counting hands and counting by 10s with our rock cans. So I'm going to post those videos for you as well.